Hi guys, today I'm gonna prepare a new recipe. It's with a curry prepared with soya chunks, which is a tiny soya chunks, and with onion shallots and shrimps. So it's a perfect country cuisine. I'm not going to add any garam masalas with this one except the turmeric and chilies and the coriander powder. So it's a new dish, so I'm going to prepare today. So let's see the ingredients required for the dish and let's see its preparation. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. The first one, I have taken 200 grams of shrimps, cleaned shrimps. Then I have taken the soaked soya chunks, which is a tiny soya chunks soaked in water. So these are the tiny chunks, and 2 tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes, and this is onion shallots and 1 big chopped onion. And here we see tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons for taste, and then mustard seeds, and then black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder 2 teaspoon, and red chili powder 2 teaspoon, and garlic cloves, a few cloves you can take. So these are the ingredients. So let's look at the preparation. First we need to cook this soya chunks in boiling water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat this pan and cook the soya chunks. So I'm going to add this soaked soya chunks to the water and I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes. So the first thing is we are going to prepare this one in a mud pot. So it's in a traditional way. So we are going to prepare it in a mud pot. I'm going to heat the mud pot. So let's see when it's get heated up. Our mud pot is heated now. So I'm going to add oil to the pan. So add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is heated, add the mustard seeds. Then add garlic cloves. Now add the onion shallots. 1 cup of onion shallots. So right now let's see whether our soya chunks are cooked. Yeah, it's getting ready and our soya chunks are getting cooked. Now let's add half a teaspoon of salt to it. Then we can cook. So what we are going to do is now we are going to stain the water of the soya chunks. And let's stain this. So we have stained our soya chunks. Let us transfer the soya chunks to the bowl. Let's cook the soya chunks right now. We're going to add 1 cup of the sliced onions to it. And this dish is very easy to prepare and it's perfect country cuisine, a northern cuisine I can say, because we are not going to add any garam masala or any flavors to it. We are going to add 2 ingredients: turmeric, red chili powder, and the coriander powder. That's it. Tomato and onion. We are not going to add any other ingredients. With black pepper, we are going to add a little black pepper to it to get a spicy touch. So that's it. This is an easy dish. You can prepare it at home. And let's see. Now that our onions are cooked well, we are going to add the chopped tomatoes. The finely chopped tomatoes. Once the onion and the tomatoes get sorted well, add 2 teaspoons of salt to it. So now let's have a look at our sauteing. So the mixture is very well cooked now. So this is the time we are going to add the spices. So let's start with pepper, half a teaspoon, and turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, and then coriander powder, 2 teaspoons, and then red chili powder, 2 teaspoons. So we have added the spices. Now we are going to cook it. add little oil to it again for it to get cooked. Add a teaspoon of oil. Now stir well the curry and cook it till the raw smell or the aroma goes off from the curry. So mix it well and cook it evenly in a low flame. And now it's the time to add the cooked soya chunks, the tiny soya chunks, to the mud pot. Add half cup of water to the curry to enable it cook well. So we have added a half cup of water and we have mixed it well. Now the soya chunks is getting cooked well with the curry. And next is we are going to add the shrimps to it. Once you add the shrimps, you get the flavor of shrimps, soya chunks, and the onion shallots, tomato. So that's it. You get a beautiful curry. Our curry is getting prepared well, and now is the time to add the shrimps to our curry. So I'm going to add the shrimps to the mud pot. Let's mix the shrimps with the curry. So shrimp should not be cooked for a long time, so you cook for just 10 minutes, then switch it off. So we are cooking the shrimps, soya chunks, onion shallots, and tomatoes with this. This is a traditional recipe. There is nothing masalas or any ingredients added. It's all just simple ingredients. So it's very easy. You can prepare it by yourself in your home. So it will be a feast for your roti, naans and chapatis, and you can even add it for your rice, and you can even add it for your pulaus, and it goes well with all sort of cuisines. So let's close the lid and cook it for a few minutes. We are going to add half a cup of water to the curry and then cook it for 10 minutes. We are going to close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. Let's have a look at how it's cooked. Yeah, our yummy and delicious shrimp soya chunk shallots curry is perfectly ready now. You can add also coconut milk to it so that your gravy becomes much more thicker, or you can add cashew paste to get it more creamier texture. So today I haven't added any coconut milk or anything because I want to prepare it in an modern way, so it goes well with all your dishes. And our shrimps are really cooked well with the soya chunks. I'm going to transfer this to another vessel.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please do share it. Thank you.